Health Report is brought to you by the suicide rate in Jamaica is about 2 per 100,000. Consultant psychiatrist and president of the Jamaica Psychiatric Association, Dr. Earl Wright, says this is relatively low when compared to other countries. But there is still concern, especially when you hear about cases of celebrities committing the act.
Research here haven't found significant increases here in Jamaica, but in the United States, Canada, and some of the other countries, there have been an increase of an epidemic sort of around the time when a celebrity commits suicide, the copycat.
Dr. Wright says people who try to kill themselves usually have a mental problem.
The mood disorder or depression is the highest. In Jamaica, approximately 60% of the suicide, people that kill themselves in Jamaica, if you go and look back in their history, you get a history of major depressive disorder. And then people with schizophrenia, psychotic disorders, hearing voices telling them to kill themselves and they act in it. This accounts for approximately 10%.
The psychiatrist says persons need to get help if they're having thoughts of suicide. He is also urging citizens to get involved and seek help for those who refuse.
We're talking about the symptoms of depression, the not sleeping at night, change in appetite, withdrawal, social withdrawal, not being able to work, and not behaving like you usually behave. And especially when individuals start talking about life is not worthwhile and they want to die, then it's not something to be ignored, it's something to actively do something about.
With your health report, I'm Shamala Mitchell wishing you good health. Health Report is brought to you